Hello everyone, how to Toots back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add your name or how to set your name in a Remitly send money account. So you can see I'm the Remitly account homepage. So this is the homepage you will see on our PC. You can also do it from your mobile device. So what you need to do, you need to click here welcome. You can see the down arrow, simply click on that, and then you'll see the option four option here like settings, redeem offer, help, and sign out. So simply click on the settings option, then you need to wait for a second to get the setting page. So you can see the option name, add your name. Okay, so simply click here this one, add, and here you'll see two empty box. So first of all you have to give your full name. To be honest, I repeat, you have to give the authentic name uh, which is related to your national ID card or government card, because it's really needed when something happened. Then you have to give the authentic information. So I'm just going to give my name here, and the last name you have to give the last name. Sorry for that. So this one. Okay, and after that you can see the option save. Simply click on the save button, then your name will be successfully added here. So okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you. Please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching the video.